Hello everyone! In this video, I wanted to share with you a book that I picked up on Amazon. This is the Cosplay Costume Design Planner. It is a softcover book measuring in at 9 inches by 6 inches. Each page is double-sided and has a design sheet for tracking your costume ideas throughout the creation process. Each page has basic information for tracking where your costume is from, when you plan to wear it, a space for a sketch or picture of your costume, an itemized checklist, a notes section, and a rating area for when you have finished your work. The pages are thick and have a nice texture to them, so writing or drawing is smooth. This also means that the print doesn't rub away when you erase.
I was really going to town on that.
The few drawbacks to this book are largely personal. The book would be better suited to a spiral binding rather than the glue binding that it has. This would allow the user to pull pages out and hang them on the wall or carry them on shopping trips. The pages aren't hard to remove using a ruler, but over time it could cause the binding to break. Lastly, I personally prefer to have much more information on my planning sheets. Over the years, I have created my own through trial and error. I like to have much more detailed documentation so that I can see where I am in my process. However, for someone who is just starting out on their cosplay journey, or someone who is new to using a documentation process, this book could be a helpful tool. If you would like to check out this book yourself, you can find a link to the Amazon listing in the description. And if you would like to learn more about design sheets and costume breakdowns, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.